Morning, folks. As you can tell, I don't feel great. Oh well. I'm gonna call yesterday in the last video a test fire of about everything. It just did not go the way I thought it would. Oh, what the hell? I guess the payloader's up there. It did not go the way I thought it would. We had a little incident and wet soybeans got into the hopper, swelled up and locked it up, and locked up both augers, the cross augers, the unload augers. So it's been a mess. So I'm gonna go clean that up this morning as best I can. I'm gonna bring a scoop shovel with me too, and we'll dump that into the rear of the semi. I'm gonna pick another 12 rows worth, about a full hopper, give or take. Not quite, maybe. And then we're gonna jump to a different property, go down the road a little bit, about 1.5 miles. We're gonna try there just to see what it's like. Today is Friday, and it's usually a little less busy on Fridays than it is Saturdays at the co-op. So that's the plan for today. I hope at some point the old lady's gonna come. I don't know what time, but she'll be here and she'll help us. She might run green cart. I don't know what we'll do. I know we gotta set my scale again and do a test function. So once I fill a semi down at the other property, I'll have an accurate reading of weight. What's up, moo-moos? But here's what we combined. Got all the corn picked up as best I can. That little spot's just dirt. They got caught in the bucket and stuff, so it's the way it goes. That's as good as that's gonna get for today. So I'm gonna head up to the house, see if I can try to eat something. So we went and checked the other property. The ground's wet a little. If we're gonna pick here at home, it's like almost 11 o'clock, if not 11. So yeah, we're gonna go pick here at home, pick all the end rows, be done with that. I gotta close my sieves up a little bit. These damn sunglasses. Probably should get them warranted, but whatever. So we're gonna just close these up. All right, we are gonna go combine now. We've got some end rows to do, and we'll see what happens. Got music, got the screen going. I'll have my field view going. Got my water and everything, and I think then we are set to go, I hope. Now that I'm waiting for a grain cart, I'm going to address a comment in the previous video. about the storage and how we actually do make some money. So previously in harvest, all of our soybeans, as you saw, they went to town. The reason we do that, we do not have enough storage here on the home place. We have 2 bins. One does have soybeans in it, but it's like 3/4 of the full, and it won't even fit a semi now. And we've got our big bin that you guys see with the auger on it right now. So when we take that to the co-op, we pay the co-op to store it. I don't know what it costs, for an example, 5 cents a bushel per month. But that initial month, so if we take it in October, it's 25 cents a bushel. And then after that, it's every 5 cents a month for each bushel. So we don't get paid right away. What we do at that point, the highest prices are usually late May, early June. When those prices are high, or when we decide to sell, we can sell at any point. We could sell it right as we go on with them during harvest, or we could wait 6 months, 8 months, a year, 2 years, whatever we would like. We just have to pay the storage fee. But when we do want to sell it, we call the co-op up. We tell them, hey, we want to sell this many bushels, either at a cash price, so right away we'll sell it and we'll get the money, or we'll sell it on a X delivery date. So we sell March beans, we sell them in March and they get delivered. They're already there, so they get rid of them in March, but we get that set price, futures price. So we're always playing the market, always changing the market. It's kind of like the stock market in a sense, with prices. That's how we do it. Corn will work the same way. We just keep some at home. It just depends on the contract with the landowners on how we do that. So the one property, all that goes to town. The one we're combining right now will go up into the bin. And that's just the way it works. It's just a brief explanation. Each co-op's different. Each one's a little different, even within the same brand. So we're going to walk back here behind the combine, and I pick, I don't know, random spot. I'll say right here. So I do a 1x1, which is roughly my boot, and we're going to see if there's any corn coming out the back or not. There's one right there. One little one. So in a 1x1 situation, yeah, now you can count that 2 right there, that real little one. We'll do it right here again. We'll back up a little further. 1 foot by 1 foot, and if there's 1 kernel of corn in it roughly, that's a bushel an acre, is what your loss is. We'll do it again, give or take. I don't see any. We'll do another one a little further back. But we do this constantly throughout the field. The conditions always change. Let's do another one right here. 1, 2. Those are towards the ear at the end. 3. 4 of them. So on average, those kind of look like head loss to me, because they're the medium rounds. The actual size or the shape we plant's a medium round. It's towards the tip of a cob. So what we plant roughly are what these ones right here are. They're the most scarce one. There's not an abundance of them. It's not like the middle ones that are flat. So instead, that's what they are. The flat ones get turned into things like ethanol. So, but let's keep going. food. I'm hungry. Rate's doing alright. I'm just hungry right now. That's all I can say. I'm dumping into him. He's dumping into the semi. And then when he's empty, he'll dump into the auger up into the bin. As you can see, we're in a new field now. We are at the other field. So this would be east side, yep. So we are gonna do this. We're gonna do a test pick, so a whole semi, because this goes to town. As you can tell, I got comfy. So let's combine. It's really hard to get stuck, as you can tell. I tried to make about a 9-point turn and tore that up pretty good. So that was really cute. There was a pucker factor there, because I've got, I don't know. It'd have been a bad deal. I probably wouldn't have lived the next day. So it goes, you live and you learn, and it's testing 18. But it needs to get under 18. They say, one load's going to town, that's it. And then we're gonna get out of Dodge, probably go back to the home place. It was just that first initial pass that was really bad. Other than that, it's not been too bad. Up in a while, because I've done end rows and more end rows. I had 2 sets left to do. The grain cart's about full though, but how many bushels is this? There's about 700 total right now, and supposedly 40,000 pounds of corn between what's on the semi already that you watch me dump and what's on this grain cart. So I don't know, I can do 50,000 on the truck. That'll get me to 80. Another 20,000 pounds, give or take. And then I think I'll take this load in. I'm hoping. Or that's the goal. showed up. She's coming around. We got half a hopper full. Technically what you combine.